Okay, hi there. This video is going to show you how to use Jamboard. A Jamboard is a Google app that is very useful in this online setting of learning. A Jamboard is just like a smartboard or a whiteboard in the classroom. The first thing that you will need to do is type in jamboard.google.com inside the search bar and then press enter. Now, if you are signed out to your account, you will be asked to sign in on your or using your Gmail account or your student Gmail account. So in this demo, I'm just going to use my public Gmail, which is going to be that one. And then, of course, it will ask for your password. Once you enter your password, just click next. So now we are here inside my Jamboard. So this is a Jamboard that I have shared with you. So it will look like this. Now, if you click it, it will show you the Jamboard. So this is the Jamboard or the whiteboard or frame, however you want to call it. So let me show you one by one the functions of this magnificent tool or application. Up here on the right or left corner is the name of the Jamboard. So in this demo, I use the name Practice Jamboard. Okay, so here in the middle is the frame bar. So you can see here it says 1/1. That means we have one frame. We are on the first page of the frame over one frame. So if I click this arrow, it will create another frame. So now we are here on the second frame of the two frames that we have created. If I want to go back to the previous frame, I will just click the previous arrow or the arrow that turns to the left, and it will bring me back to the previous or the first frame. So let's go back. Okay, so right here on the right corner or the right top corner, you will see 3 dots. This means that you have more actions. Let's try and click it. So you can rename the Jamboard. You can also download the whole Jamboard as a PDF file, or you can also save as image the frame or the selected frame that you want, or you can also remove the frame if you don't want it, or you can also make a copy. All right, so here is this colorful circle here with the first letter of your name is your account. Let's go back here to the left. This is the undo button. So whatever you do here on the frame, you can undo it and remove it by just clicking this arrow. Also, you can zoom your frame according to your likeness. So right now it is at 110%. Let's see if we do it at 100. So it will make your frame a little bit smaller. Let's say I want it fit. It is 110%. You also have here a background. You can choose a background of your liking. Right now it doesn't have any background. Let's say here you have only like 7 choices, not too many. So let's say if I want dots, it will look like that. If I want a paper or a rule, there you go, looks like a paper. If I wanted squares, if I'm doing math, it can be like that, but since we are in English class, we're not using that one. This is a graph, a plain blue, or a plain black. So let's say, for example, I want this black. Okay, let's use this. I like this color. So here on the left are the different tools that you can use while you are in a virtual classroom. So the first tool is the pen. If you click it, you have 4 different types of pens that you can use. if you need to write or make a circle or underline a word. So the first one is the pen, second is the marker, the third one is the highlighter, and the fourth one is the brush. You also have 6 different colors of your choice. Say for example, I want a white color and I want a pen, and your teacher told you to write your name on the frame. So let's say for example, I will write my name here. There you go. Okay, so it doesn't look good because I'm using a trackpad, or can be a mouse. But if you're using a tablet, it is easier to write on the frame because a tablet is a touch screen, so your writing will look better than this. Okay, so there you go. I wrote my name. If I want to underline it, I will also underline it. If I want to circle my name, I can also circle it. Okay, so this is just like any pen that you have, you know, in real world. Now, below your pen tool is the eraser. So if your teacher say erase your name on the frame, so all you need to do is click the eraser and start erasing your name. Okay, so let's go back here. Below the eraser is the pointer. So if you don't want to make a mess and you just, you know, not doing anything, go back to the pointer and you can, you know, just do point, 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 anywhere, whatever you want. Below the pointer is the sticky note. So if I click this sticky note, you will have a sticky note here. And right now, it doesn't have any color. Oh, it doesn't have any background color. It says none. But if you want to change the color, you can choose orange if you want, pink, blue, green, or yellow. Let's say I want the green one. I'm going to type a sentence here. I graduated from college in 2002. Period. Once you're done typing your sentence, you can just click save. Now this line here, or this color bar here, or the progress line, tells you how much space you have on sticky notes. So you have limited space with regards to typing your words or sentences. So when you're done, you can just click save and click cancel, and your sticky note is right there. Now you can move your sticky note wherever you want here on the frame. You just click it and then drag it around wherever you want it. And again, up here on the top right corner are 3 dots. So that means you have what? Options to do whatever you want. So you can edit your answer, and if you want to edit it, you can just go ahead, edit it, and click save again once you're done. And also you can duplicate your sticky note if you want. Now you have 2 sticky notes. You can also delete your sticky note if you don't want it, and voila, it's gone. Okay, now if you want to make your sticky note bigger, you drag the bottom corners and it will make your sticky note bigger, just like that. Now the top left corner will, you know, let you move your sticky note 300 degrees, just like that. You can do it like that. If you are an artistic person, you can do it like this, however you want it. It's really up to you. Okay, let's make this smaller, just like that. Alright, so let's go back to the tools on the left. We're done with the sticky note. Now below your sticky note is add image. So if your teacher say, I want you to upload a picture, now you just click image, add image, and this box will appear. Now you have 4 options on how to add a picture depending on where your picture is coming from. So by default, it says upload from your computer. A device is your computer. Let's say I am going to upload a picture from my computer. I am just going to select files from your device, and it will bring up the folders of the different folders of where my pictures are being kept. So let's say, for example, I will choose this picture from my desktop folder. Now I want that picture. I'm going to select or click open, and automatically the picture is posted here on the frame. If I want to make that smaller, I'm just going to grab the circles at the bottom and drag it around or back and forth. You want it bigger, you want it smaller, however you want it. Another option is if your teacher say search picture of carrots from Google image search. So again, add image, click that one. And now this time click Google image search. Click that one and type in the word of or the name of the picture that you want to search. Let's say, for example, you are searching for a school building. Now, once you are done typing, click this search button and it will give you different types or different pictures of a school building. Let's say, for example, this one looks pretty. I will choose that one. After I choose it, I will click select, and automatically the picture is posted here on the frame. I am going to make it smaller, just like that. So that is how you add a picture. Below the add image tool is a circle or the shape button. So if you click it, you will have, or you will see different shapes. Let's say, for example, I want an arrow. I will click this arrow. I will click anywhere here on the frame, and this arrow will appear. Again, you can change the size of the arrow however you want it. Okay. All right, that one. Again, you have the three dots here. That means you have many options on what you can do with this arrow. Click it, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, or you can reorder it, you can bring it to the back, you can send it backward, whatever. Let's say, for example, you don't want the color of your arrow, you want it a different color. Again, you go back up here, change the color, 6 different options of color. If you want blue, you can choose blue. And if you want a different color on your border, let's say you want a different color for your border, you want it yellow, there you go. Yellow, you can make it bigger, longer, fatter, however you want it. And again, this here, you can turn it around however you want it. There you go. You can push it back. See? Alright, so below the shape tool, you have the text box. Okay, this is very common, text box. So let's see, if we click it and click anywhere here on the frame, you will have your text box here. Okay, so you can type a word or a sentence. But let's say because the background is black, I am going back up here and change my text color to white. So now I'm going to go back here and click edit, and now I will start to write a sentence. I graduated from college in 2002. Okay, there you go. Again, you can resize your text box like that and make it look like one sentence. Alright, all across. So there you go. There is your sentence. Now, below your text box, okay, go back here to the tools, the laser. So if you click it, and you want to make points. So basically that's it. It is how easy it is. It is fun. It is colorful. It is interactive. It is engaging. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Send me an email.